Welcome to our wood carving tutorial, where today we're crafting a symbol of love, a hand-carved wooden figure of a couple. But first, if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss an episode of our mesmerizing carving adventures with knives for wood carving. In this episode, we're diving into a unique challenge inspired by the world of love. Get ready to witness the transformation of raw material into a stunning masterpiece that will leave you in awe. As we unveil the challenge, let's look at the tools and materials that will bring this vision to life. Planning is key in the world of carving. The 5 by 2 by 2 inches basswood block is perfect for the love couple pattern. Start by visualizing the figure's basic shape within our block's dimensions. Sketching the contours on the surface will guide your carving, ensuring a balanced and lifelike representation. Now grab your carving tools and join us on this creative journey. We'll navigate through the step-by-step process of the love couple carving, sharing tips and tricks to elevate your carving skills in whittling for beginners. As we begin carving, focus on the gradual removal of excess material. With your carving knife, begin to outline the pattern. Work slowly, following the lines, and remember, safety first. Always carve away from your body. Once the outline is done, let's add depth. Start carving away the excess wood, shaping the figures. Notice the curves and angles that bring the figures to life. For beginners, the challenge lies in controlling the depth of your cuts and maintaining symmetry. Take your time, and don't hesitate to step back and assess your progress. Now, let's address one more challenge: grain direction. Pay attention to the wood's natural grain, as carving against it can lead to splintering. Work with the grain to ensure smoother, cleaner cuts and a more polished final result. Now, the details. Use smaller tools to carve the facial features, clothes, and other intricate details. This is where your figures start to really develop character and emotion. Remember, every challenge is an opportunity to refine your skills. If you're a beginner, embrace the learning curve, and don't be discouraged by imperfections. Carving is an art form that evolves with practice and dedication. So whether you're a seasoned carver or just starting your carving journey, take on this challenge enthusiastically and creatively. Share your progress and any challenges you face in the comments below. And let's learn and grow together as a carving community. Before we wrap up, we want to thank you for joining us on this carving adventure. If you've enjoyed the journey, don't forget to like this video, share it with your fellow carving enthusiasts, and hit that subscribe button to stay tuned for more. Connect with us on social media, and don't be shy. Share your own carving projects and ideas in the comments below.